Hello everyone, today I will share my testimony, and those of you out there that will hear it, may the good Lord bless you. My name is Eileen. I'm from the Federated State of Micronesia, and before I share my testimony, I just want to take me back to my journey when I started following Christ. When I was 17 years old, I joined the Seventh-day Adventist Church, and I joined that church because I believe that the truth about Sabbath. And in that journey, I ended up here in U.S. And while I was here in the United States, I continue my faith, keep on going to church on Sabbath, and after my children were grown up, I decided that I wanted to do a missionary work. So in order for me to do a missionary work, I need to become a medical missionary. So I was trying to look for a ministry where I can had a experience or to become a medical missionary. I was thinking about going to Weimar. I was thinking about going to Wildwood, but the door was closed. And then one day someone attended our church, and the way he was sharing his testimony really touched me, and his attitude, the way he shared what he learned from the Bible and from where he came from really touched my heart. And when I find out about that, he was a student from M.E.E.T ministry. So that's how I end up at M.E.E.T ministry. And 4 months ago, I was a student at M.E.E.T ministry because I want to become a medical missionary. So in that journey of that 4 months, the door of my Christian walk was really open. And it was an answered prayer, because I always pray that I want my life or my walk with Christ to be like Him, that is so full of love. The love that He has for me and He died for me, I want to have that love too, but I don't know how to get it. Many times I cry for that, and then I keep on failing. So when I came to M.E.E.T ministry, I learned in that 4-month school about love and compassion, and that's really transformed me. And I'm so grateful and I'm so thankful, and that's why I end up at the health center of M.E.E.T ministry, because of what I learned in health. Here at the health center, I learned so many good things, and the treatment and the therapy that I get here really benefit my spiritual life, my mental, and my physical. And I'm so thankful that in all this area I get healed, because I need that, and I prayed for that, and I got what I needed for my walk with Christ here. I am so thankful whatever I get here, the treatment, the food, the drinks really benefit my life. And I was so at peace. I never experienced this peaceful in my life like I had. And I'm so thankful for that. And in conclusion for my testimony, I want, in honor and respect, I want a special thank to Baba Plan for great inspiration that you had for my life. I learned so many good things from you, and I will continue to use what you gave me in my walk with Christ. A special thanks to Brother Jackson. What I learned from you will make me finish strong in my walk with Christ. I thank you for the testimony that you shared that, when you go to sleep, God did not take your life because of me. I need you. It's you that opened the door of the love of Christ and compassion to my life. Thank you so much. I really respect that. A special thanks to Mrs. Jackson. Your class was fun, and every time I see you, I admire you for standing beside your husband for 49 years and what you're doing at this ministry. I'm so thankful for that. And all my teachers, I'm so thankful for you all, and for all the health center. I'm so thankful for Sister Alicia. You're a very good manager and you have a good staff. Without you all, I will never experience today what I'm in. And a special thanks to my brother Dennis. Whatever I learned from you in class really benefit my life. And I thank you, all the staff here at M.E.E.T Ministry. You all are very great. I see the life of Christ in all of your life. And for those of you who are listening, if you have any issue in health, this is a great place that you can get healed spiritually, mentally, and physically. So I will encourage you that if you are looking for a good place, this is a good place for you. Thank you all, those of you who are listening. I pray that God will be with you all. Thank you all.